people, it's so nice to see you back on my YouTube channel, and as you can see, the title itself tells you that this has got something to do with Rangooning with Dansby. So basically, for those of you who don't know about this, Rangooning with Dansby was an activity that we conducted on our Twitter platform, and the best part is that it was actually happening on a Valentine's Day, which is I think last week, and this activity turned into a full-fledged trend, and we were trending on the #1 spot at around 2 a.m. and I think that was the best feeling ever to actually see that hashtag trending. And I just think this wouldn't have been possible without the constant love and support of all those who were involved in this trend, the ones who participated, all the fan clubs of Shahid Kapoor, and the ones who love Rangoon. So, and were quite excited to watch the film also. And in case you still haven't booked your tickets or seen the film, go check it out now. It's fabulous. So, as I was saying, it's finally time to reveal the contest winners of the secret surprise. So what we did was we actually jotted down a few ideas and thought about surprising these winners in a different way. But somehow, we just thought कि चलो कुछ different करते हैं, because this hashtag itself was so different. It was so much fun, and the activity was also such a huge success. So I really didn't want to disappoint my awesome followers and the Shanatics, of course, the Shahid Kapoor ke Divane. So as you know, some of the participants got their questions answered in our interview. Those were the fan questions, and we tried our best to ensure we could accommodate as many questions as possible, although I did tell you that we will be choosing just 2 fan questions, but I tried my best to accommodate as many questions as I could. And even with our secret surprise, while the announcement was that we will have 2 lucky winners, we have decided to have 3. And our Rangooning with Dansby secret surprise winners are... Hey, come on, I'm not gonna give it away so easily. Because इतना अच्छा trend था, इतनी fun activity थी, तो surprise भी थोड़ा interesting होना चाहिए. Let's do one thing. Why don't we get the man of the moment himself to do the honors?
Rima, Rashi and Farah, I heard that you are the winners of this awesome contest that this person standing behind me, Priya, has come up with, which was Rangooning with Dansby, which trended worldwide. That's fantastic. So first of all, thank you all for trending this, and thank you, Priya, for coming up with the hashtag, and yeah, sending you loads and loads of love. Thank you so much for participating in the contest, and congratulations for winning the contest. And Rangoon releases on the 24th of Feb. Don't forget to go watch it. Take everybody with you to watch it and give it a lot of love. We've made it with a lot of hard work, and I hope that you like the film. We've given it everything, and it's going to be new, it's going to be different. So yeah, enjoy it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Thank you to all the participants who gave their constant support and love to this activity, to all the fan clubs involved, and of course, how can I forget the man himself. A heartfelt gratitude to Shahid Kapoor for being an absolute sweetheart and for making this happen. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel and share it on your timeline. Until next time, this is your Dansby saying bye-bye.